Sika, wherever you build, we're there. With 400 factories in over 100 countries, everyone moving the battery industry forward. From stabilizing grids to powering vehicles, batteries are at the heart of the world's transition to a cleaner future. But in every battery system is a challenge. During charge and discharge, cells generate heat, yet maintaining uniform temperatures is essential. Even a few degrees of difference can cause imbalance, degradation, and inefficiency. Our thermal interface materials, or TIMs, act as a bridge between cells and cooling plates, efficiently transferring heat away from vital areas. With optimized thermal conductivity and stable mechanics, our TIMs provide the technical flexibility from multiple technologies to meet your specific needs, helping to deliver high performance, reliability, safety, fast charging, and long battery life. Moving battery technology forward. Managing heat, powering progress.